Think you need a fortune to build a killer gaming PC in 2025? Think again. Building your own PC is like assembling a dream team of components. It's way cheaper than buying pre-built. Plus, you get bragging rights. In this guide, we'll show you how to build a powerful gaming PC without emptying your wallet. We'll cover everything you need, from picking the right parts to getting it up and running. Get ready to crush those frames per second. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, the heart of your gaming beast, the CPU and GPU. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain. The GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, is the brawn, especially for games. For budget gaming, focus on a strong GPU. Here's the combo we recommend for 2025 AMD Ryzen 5 7600, a solid performer that won't break the bank. NVIDIA RTX 4060. This GPU delivers amazing graphics at 1080p and even 1440p resolution. Don't forget the other essentials, the motherboard, the foundation of your PC. Look for one compatible with your CPU and has all the slots you need. 16 GB of RAM is the sweet spot for gaming in 2025. Get an SSD or solid-state drive for your operating system and games. It's way faster than a hard drive. You can add a cheaper hard drive for extra storage. Where to buy? Check online retailers for deals, explore reputable refurbished options, or visit your local computer store. Now for the fun part, putting it all together. Don't worry, building a PC is like adult Legos. Here's a simplified breakdown. Install the CPU and cooler on the motherboard. This part can be a bit tricky, so watch a video tutorial first. Install the RAM. Make sure it's in the correct slots. Mount the motherboard inside the case. Install the GPU. Connect the power supply to all the components. Connect your storage drives. Cable management is your friend. Keep those wires tidy. Before you seal up your masterpiece, it's crucial to test everything. Boot up the PC outside the case to make sure it posts or turns on, and that all the components are detected. Alright, it's time to unleash the beast. Let's see how our budget build handles some popular games. Cyberpunk 2077. Expect buttery smooth 60+ FPS at 1440p resolution on high settings. Fortnite. This competitive shooter will run at a blazing fast 144+ FPS at 1080p on high settings, giving you a competitive edge. Call of Duty Warzone. Experience this massive battle royale game at 1080p with 60+ FPS on high settings. But it's not just about gaming. This PC can also handle everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming, and even some light video editing without breaking a sweat. Here's the moment of truth, the cost breakdown. Prices may vary, of course. CPU AMD Ryzen 5 7600, $180. GPU NVIDIA RTX 4060, $300. Motherboard, $100. RAM 16GB DDR5, $80. Storage 1TB NVMe SSD, $50. Case, $60. Power supply 650W 80+ bronze, $70. Total, around $840. Want to save even more? Shop during seasonal sales like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Look for used components from reputable sellers. Trade in your old hardware for credit towards new parts. There you have it, a killer gaming PC build for under $900. Remember, building your own PC is a rewarding experience that saves you money and gives you a machine tailored to your needs. What do you think of this build? Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips every week.